In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VWAP indicator in TradingView. If you've ever wondered whether price is trading at a fair value during a session, the VWAP, or volume weighted average price, is a great tool. It blends price with trading volume to show the average price paid weighted by how much was traded. Many intraday traders use it as a moving reference point for potential support and resistance and to gauge trend strength during the day. First, open TradingView and head to your chart. Any symbol and time frame will work here, though VWAP is especially popular on intraday charts because it resets based on the session by default. Make sure you're looking at the chart view where your candles or bars are displayed and the top toolbar is visible. That's where you'll find the tools you need. Next, look for the Indicators button along the top of the chart. It typically says Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Click it to open the Search and Library panel. This panel organizes all built-in indicators, community scripts, and strategies. But we'll keep it simple and go straight to the built-in VWAP. In the search field within that panel, type VWAP. Use the basic spelling VWAP. It should appear right away. You're looking for the built-in indicator called Volume Weighted Average Price. This is the standard VWAP provided by TradingView and is the one most traders start with. Click Volume Weighted Average Price to add it to your chart. As soon as you do, a single line will appear directly over your price chart. Depending on your theme, the line may be blue, purple, or another color, and it will update as new candles form. By default, this line resets each new session, which makes it particularly useful for measuring intraday price behavior relative to where the average trader has transacted. A quick note on interpretation. When price is consistently above VWAP, it suggests buyers are in control for that session. When price is below, sellers may have the upper hand. Many traders watch how price reacts when it returns to VWAP, treating it like a dynamic midpoint that can act as support or resistance. Remember, context matters. Combine VWAP with your broader plan, risk management, and other confirmations you trust. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, click Indicators, type VWAP, and select Volume Weighted Average Price. You now have a reliable benchmark on your screen to help frame intraday decisions more clearly. Thanks for watching and happy charting!